Hello everybody, I'm John Valentine, father.
Hello, I'm John Valentine, son.
Welcome to
Father and Son.
Always look on the bright side. So what kind of things are happening in your life these days that might be a little bit difficult?
Well, I would say mostly around my age, people would be worried about their future careers. What are they going to do for the rest of their life?
I see. What to do in the future. I think it's true that a lot of people try to figure that out early, try to figure out what to do in the future. I'll confess to you though, I still don't know what I'm going to do in my future. I'm not too worried about it. Do you know why I'm not worried about it?
Why is that?
항상 밝은 면을 보니까. I always look on the bright side.
It's a very important thing.
Sure.
I know that people, it's easier to look on the dark side.
Well, yeah.
It's easier to be negative. But when you're positive, you're a beacon of happiness to the people around you.
Oh, that's interesting. So being positive not only is good for you personally, but it has a good effect on your friends and family.
Yes, it is.
Even strangers.
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, when you're downtown or you're out in society, no matter where you are, if you've got a smile on your face, the people who see you, they think either one of two things. Number one, you're crazy. Or they think, oh, what a nice person you are. Yeah. I have that experience. I went to a supermarket, and while I was paying for the food that I bought, the owner of the supermarket said, oh, you always have a smile on your face. And I told him the same thing you told me. Oh, yeah, always look on the bright side. He said to me, so, you have no stress? And I thought, yeah, no, I have lots of stress, but if I had no stress, that would be strange. I have lots of stress, but I still always look on the bright side.
It's only human to have stress.
Yeah, I don't want to go around like this, sad face and just staring at the ground.
It's also very important to keep your head up.
Oh, that's right. Keep your head up. Up like this?
Not too literally looking up at the sky.
Looking up at the stars, looking at the sky. Keep your head up. What does that mean then? Be confident. Be proud. Be brave. Be strong. Keep your head up. How can I say keep your head up in Korean?
You could say 고개를 들어요.
고개 is head. 고개를
들어요.
돌아와요.
들어요.
고개를 돌아와요.
Not 더러워요.
Not 돌아와요.
들어요.
들어요.
Yes. Lift.
Okay. So 고개를 들어요. Okay. Keep your head up. I know some of my Korean friends use this word a lot. Fighting. That's kind of the same thing.
It has a similar meaning. It's fighting. 힘내요.
힘내요.
Yes.
힘내세요. Oh, yeah. So 고개를 들어요. Keep your head up. Yeah. Fighting. 힘내세요. Be strong.
Generally means be happy. Be
happy.
Strong.
Yeah, I like that too. Oh, okay. Good. It's really important. Now, here's a question though. How do you do that?